What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Hustlepedia. Today we are going over some new platforms in the Cardano and Solana space that are new NFT platforms. NFTs are the hottest thing out in cryptocurrency right now and in mainly Ethereum, but we do have projects popping up in other ecosystems that are competing with Ethereum like Cardano and Solana. I'm going to go over those and what they mean for upcoming DEX platforms in each of these ecosystems like Cardano and Solana, platforms like ADAX, SundaeSwap, Cardax, Solanax, platforms that are looking to capitalize on the DEX market segment within these ecosystems. Just kind of the impact it could potentially have on them as well. If you're new to the channel, drop in and hit that subscribe button. I think we're 20 subs away from 2,000, guys. Y'all been showing amazing support, and I really appreciate it. We do come out with new videos every single day here on the channel, and I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the video, and be sure to like the video as well if you enjoy the video. So, guys, just taking a quick look, just going to start with some ADAX, just looking at the day. It's not great. Obviously, we're down 16%, sitting at $1.65, which is actually very value. I don't know how much farther it's going to go down than that, just in terms of a downswing of the market. We're in a bull market, but guys, you have to take a look at each market segment. We are down 12.67% on market cap for DeFi tokens over the last day. So trading volume is also down by 12.6%. And honestly, it's no surprise. It's a holiday weekend. I said it in yesterday's video that I would not expect any crazy movements over the weekend. Trading volume is going to be down. People are spending time with family, doing whatever they're doing this weekend. So don't expect a market swing on ADAX this weekend. It's actually maybe a good time to get in at a lower price than it has been sitting at for the last week or two on its ascension. So just take a look at it and see what you want to do. But ADAX is nothing to worry about. The whole DeFi market is down here. Coins like PancakeSwap over the last 7 days down 6%. Even Uniswap's down on the 24-hour just a little bit. So nothing to worry about. It is a small price, small cap token. We all know the 10x potential on the market cap here, so nothing to worry about there. Just a quick ADAX update. I know we cover ADAX on the channel every single day, and we will once again tomorrow. But let's get into the topic of the video. These new NFT platforms that are popping up, really cool to see. In the Cardano ecosystem here, we have cnft.io, and unfortunately their database is under like a move and a transition, so I can't actually show you their marketplace right now. But as you can see, like for example, you would trade for your CNFT from your Cardano, and then you will be able to purchase NFTs on the Cardano blockchain with the CNFT token, their native token. So you take a look at some of the sales already going on in the Cardano ecosystem. These space buds have been super popular. I believe the space buds are on the thumbnail somewhere in the top left. These space buds are selling for crazy prices, guys. 60,000 Cardano, 29,000 Cardano. We have a berry sage selling for 50,000 Cardano. So this market's been very active already. Another upcoming project, Cardano Kids, about 15,000 Cardano there. So, this is an awesome thing to see because we've always been talking about Cardano's use cases. Charles Hoskinson's always been talking about the Cardano use case being competitive with Ethereum, and the lower fees are definitely going to make the NFT platform potentially want to shift to a coin like Cardano ecosystem or the Solana ecosystem. Obviously, there's been nothing in the last 24 hours because the platform is down. But in terms of the last week, a very active NFT market going on in Cardano, and it is great to see the early adoption going on already. Guys, this is cnftanalytics.io top sales. So a very active market, and things you really want to see if you are a Cardano investor or if you are invested into any of the upcoming Cardano DEX platforms, where they will have an ERC20 converter. A lot of pros with that. If you are holding Ethereum, you can go ahead and convert your Ethereum simply over to Cardano, or if you need to take it to a more advanced, you can utilize the ERC20 token capability that they will have, the ERC20 converter capability. So basically they're going to make it very easy for you to take your Ethereum and at a low fee take it over to Cardano and be able to utilize your tokens in the Cardano ecosystem and buy NFTs, as we see the amazingly high gas fees for Ethereum in the NFT market. You basically have to have a bankroll behind you to get involved in the NFT market, because it costs more to sell than the initial. Like, you can't even get on OpenSea, even the lowest. You got to pay $90 just to get it at least, and then on a low price one. And then when you sell it, I mean, you're talking a crazy fee when you're selling and buying on OpenSea right now with Ethereum, and that's just, it won't last long term. And there's that whale market that doesn't care about the fees because they're moving the big drops. But there's going to be the casual traders, the retail traders, just the guys who have investments in crypto and want to get involved, everyday people, not the institutional money or anything like that, or, the people who actually move the markets, whales. This is a much easier platform to get involved with the lower fee that doesn't feel like it's actually eating up your investment. I mean, you buy $100 NFT thinking I'm just going to hold it or like try to flip it. Well, you pay 90 more bucks for the gas fee. So you're paying 190. So you automatically have to flip it for double basically what you got it for. And then you have to slap your fee when you're selling it too. So it's a steep ball game when it comes to Ethereum and NFTs right now. You really have to have money to get involved, and it's hard to win if you don't have a lot of money behind you. But upcoming markets in the Cardano ecosystem are going to make it a lot easier to get involved in NFTs. Is going to help Cardano grow, and everything in its ecosystem, the functionality is the main point. Everything's functionality is coming together on the Cardano blockchain, like we've all been told all along that it would, as we see the initial here on NFTs on Cardano, which is going to be big for platforms which are decentralized exchanges like SundaeSwap, ADAX, etc. That's going to be big. Their use case only grows. And Solsea.io, a very new platform, just came out the other day actually, and this is going for 100 Solana, and it was their countdown. The countdown was a really stupid idea. They did post that on their website. But like these degen apes have been really popular, 250 Sol. That's a legit price. I mean, you are paying top dollar for this type of stuff in this market already, in a fresh market. So, and I actually think these are really cool looking. Like, I think that's pretty cool. I think these are kind of fire too. The bold badgers. That degen ape right there is insane looking. You got a football degen ape. So honestly, I really enjoy some of these pieces myself. I do have an investment in Solana. So eventually, maybe if I can find something that's minted, maybe we can get in early, because I'm not about to pay 200 Solana for a degen ape, because I'm not rich like that. But I will say, this is some intriguing stuff that has legitimate pull, obviously, but you can see by the prices. And this is a very new market. And you can also check howrare.is to check out how rare your NFTs are on Solana. So you check like the degen apes, for example. These are pretty legit. You got this one with the MJ jersey with a helmet on. It hasn't even been valued correctly yet, but as you can see, 11,000 Solana. That is crazy, guys. 11,000 Solana for that one. 2,500 Solana, 1,500 Solana was the last sale. Like, guys, this is crazy. These are crazy. 3,500 Solana. So, guys, this is only going to help the ecosystem around these platforms. If they start losing market pull, if Ethereum starts losing market pull in the NFT space when Cardano unrolls their new update on the 12th, as well, we already see a functioning Solana ecosystem. And look at, these are major prices. 3,200 is the price for this one. This one last sold for 600. These are major legitimate use cases in a really, really hot space. Some might even call it a bubble. I wouldn't even I wouldn't be remiss to disagree that it's probably a bubble. But the point is, the growth of the Cardano and Solana ecosystems are unfolding right in front of our eyes, guys. And these type of things that we're seeing in the Solana NFT space and in the Cardano NFT space that we see here, major sales, major money, legitimate money being moved, and it only is good for the platforms around the ecosystem, like ADAX, like SundaeSwap. It's only going to help the use cases for stuff like these platforms in this market. People will easily to be able to hold their money in that decentralized exchange as like a safety net, or whatever they want to do whenever they are facilitating their money between Ethereum, Cardano, and then eventually the NFT that they are purchasing, or if they are getting CNFT token to buy on this exchange, for example, or for your Solana. There's so many different options, and these decentralized exchanges will have a lot to capitalize on whenever they do unroll their platforms. And just the use case, it's really just all about the use case, guys, like I said, and these will only help these DEX platforms in the long haul continue their use case if the NFT markets come to fruition in both Solana and Cardano. I will catch y'all on Sunday's video. Y'all have a good rest of your Saturday. Take a look at the price. If it gets much lower, I might be putting a little more in. It's a long-term play. I am not a financial advisor, but I am Hustlepedia, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed, and like the video. Leave me your thoughts down below on the NFT space in Cardano and Solana. Let me know if you think it's here to stay and if it can replace Ethereum as the NFT mainstay with lower fees. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.